This foldable garden kneeler seat was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm showing the setup and giving you a closer look at the features. Right away, one thing I noticed is how sturdy this feels. It's designed to support up to 350 pounds, and once it's opened up, it feels really solid and stable. This is a 2-in-1 design, so you can either use it as a kneeler while gardening or flip it open and use it as a bench seat. That's really nice because it gives you flexibility depending on what you're doing outside. As I'm showing it in the video, you can see the wide EVA kneeling pad, which gives you more room and extra cushioning while kneeling. It also has a detachable cloud cushion, which adds even more comfort when using it as a seat. One feature I really like is the anti-slip base. Once it's set up, it feels secure and doesn't feel like it's sliding around while you're using it. Another nice thing is that it's foldable. So when you're done using it, it folds down easily for storage without taking up much space. In the video, I'm showing how it opens, folds, and using it as a bench seat so you can get a better idea of how it functions. This would be especially nice for anyone who spends a lot of time gardening and wants something a little easier on the knees and back. Overall, this feels really well thought out. It's sturdy, comfortable, easy to store, and versatile, which makes it a really practical gardening accessory.